Hello friends, my name is Soham and welcome to my channel Coding with Soham. In this video we are going to make a BG color changing app using text input. The app changes its color as per our commands. If we will put yellow in text input, the app's background color will change into yellow. So let's get started with our today's video. First I will need a button text I want is to be press. Let's move it something here. And the if you want to know this all properties of this button, I have already made a video on it. You can watch that video. Link is given in the description. Placeholder is enter color you want. So yes, we have done it. Next I will increase the font size and alignment will be center, and border width I will make it as 0. If you also want to watch this video on text inputs property, I have already made this video. You can go and watch the video. Link is given in the description. Let's go to code. So on event here, and ID I will make as button one click. Set property ID screen 1. Here background color, and here search for get text. ID here will be text input to 1. So yes, it's done. Red. See, background color is changing to red. I will again show you. Try in blue color. You see, color is changing to blue. Now let's here try a hexadecimal code. So I have hash drag. Oh, sorry friends for disturbance. Hash drag 3 2E 3CE. So here, see I have entered this colors hexadecimal code. Let's try RGB here. RGB bracket I will put as 255 comma 0 comma 0. See, it's changing to red. Now let's make this as 0 and this as 255. See, it's changing to green. Let's make it 0 and let's try as blue. Let us try blue. Blue 0.5. No. Sorry. Blue will be 255. See here. Now here, let's try it with alpha. No, sorry. Let's try alpha. Alpha, I will increase value of alpha to 0.5 and increase red's value to 245. See, it's coming like this. And let's remove alpha here. See, it's coming like this. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, please go and hit like button down. And for watching my more videos, link is given in description. And I have already explained properties of a button and text input in my previous videos, and I have also explained the RGB. I have also explained what is RGB and how to use that. So you can watch my all videos. Videos link is given in description. Thank you, friends.